Running projections in the LIFO-PRO software. Under the index calculations, click the IPIC Simplified LIFO Data Input Calc/Report/Methods button. What we're going to be doing is running a set of indexes for a sample company setup named ABC Sample Pharma Corp Tax LIFO. They have a November fiscal year end and use November to November prior and current year appropriate months, as shown here in the IPIC method settings screen. What we would like to do is achieve getting projections ran for the period last ended November 2015 through February 2016, which is the latest month's PPI indexes available that were last released by the BLS. This is achieved by clicking on the scroll down bar and selecting February and ensuring that the prior year appropriate index month is correctly selected as November. And for projection purposes, use the exit and use these settings for next calculation, but don't save settings button in order to use these settings for the projection, and upon completion of projection, the normal IPIC method settings used for running year-end LIFO calculations or actual year-end LIFO calcs will be restored. After this is completed, press the yellow Use 11/2015 Year-End Report 23 for projection. A different month will appear based on your company's year-end and or appropriate month. A message bar will appear prompting you to click yes or no, and this is giving you indication that LIFO-PRO expected for you to have a 12-month period selected, and since our projection is for less than 12 months, it's prompting you to allow LIFO-PRO to decide A, use more than 12 months, or B, use less. Since November through February is only a period of 3 months, we want to click yes for using less than 12 months. The IPIC data input sheet will appear, and 11/30/2016 is the year end for this projection. So by taking a look at the date displayed right here in cell A2, we know that we have the correct month and year entered into the LIFO-PRO software. If this is not the case, we can click into cell A2 and change it. And change it back as well since it was correct. Under what will typically be column C, maybe column B if you do not have a pool number assignment column in your data input sheet, select the grand total inventory dollars for LIFO-PRO to check and verify the inventory balances, and click the Start IPIC Index Calculation button. This process takes anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds, depending on the size of your company, and upon completing, the projection report 23S displays. Report 23 and 24 display as normally shown for actual year-end IPIC LIFO calculations. It is advised that you make sure to, under the total and averages row and cell, verify that the inflation rates appropriate index months are as inputted into the LIFO-PRO IPIC method settings screen to ensure that the proper amount of months and proper months were used. February 2016 is what we selected, and November 2015, they are both correct, so we have achieved an accurate set of LIFO-PRO IPIC projections.